In this video, we'll show you how to use TeamViewer to remote control another computer. It's a simple two-step process, and let's start with the person who's going to be controlling the remote PC. The first step is to visit TeamViewer.com and click on the free download button in the upper right corner. There's a link in the description as well. Since you're going to be accessing another PC, click on the Download TeamViewer button and install the software. Just follow the prompts, accepting the terms. And because you're accessing someone else's PC, you'll most likely need to create an account, so be prepared for that. Now, when you go to use TeamViewer, you'll need to sign in. After you signed in, you just need to get some information from the person you're going to be connecting to. All right, now for the person whose PC you're going to remote into, here's what they need to do. From the TeamViewer download page, they want to click on the Download Quick Support button. After the download completes, there's nothing to install and they don't need to create an account. All they have to do is navigate to where the TeamViewer Quick Support was downloaded and double-click to open it. A remote support window will open. At this point, they just need to give you this ID and password so they can call you, text it, email, or whatever. Now, the person who's going to be controlling the PC, you'll need to enter their remote ID in the field labeled Partner ID, then click Connect. You'll then get prompted for a password. Just enter the password they gave you, then click Log On. Give TeamViewer a moment, the remote session will start, and now you're in the driver's seat. You're able to control the other PC's mouse and keyboard. And that's how you remotely control another PC using TeamViewer.